guys, today we'll be learning all about fractions. Fractions look like this, a top number and a bottom number. The top number is called a numerator, while the bottom number is called a denominator, and they have a bar in the middle to indicate which one's which. You can multiply fractions just by multiplying the top numerators together and then the bottom numbers together. Make sure that the answer to the top numbers is going to also be the numerator of your answer, and the bottom is on the bottom. And then there is dividing. Dividing is kind of harder. It's the opposite of multiplication, but most people use the keep, change, flip strategy. First, you keep the first fraction the exact same. Don't do anything. And then you change the division sign into a multiplication sign. That makes it easier. And then the next fraction, you have to flip it, which means switching the top and bottom number around. And then once you do that, you can multiply them just as easy. Adding and subtracting fractions is very easy. You can use the same strategy. You have to multiply the first fraction by the denominator of the second, which means the bottom number. You have to multiply the whole fraction, which means the top and bottom. And do the same thing with the second fraction, but reverse and put it on the first one. And then once you do that, you can simply add those or subtract those. It depends on which one you're doing. And then it'll be easier because all you have to do is add or subtract the top and keep the bottom number the same. Do not change it. And that's how you do everything with fractions. Psych, there's still more. You can have equivalent fractions that we'll talk about in a later video. Also, fractions have this form. These are called decimals, which are just another way of fractions. You can convert a fraction into a decimal by using this graph. It's very simple to do. And that's all for today. See ya later.